Hi, if you're interested in a book that explores about grief, identity, as well as art at the same time, addiction at the same time, and also talks about a man who's searching for meaning about his life, but he's also searching meaning about his death. He is a man who wants, and he's completely obsessed with the idea of martyrdom. Then I have a book recommendation for you. Now, mind you, this is a debut novel by a poet. So, yeah, the writing is poetic. So, anybody who's interested in poetic literature, who wants to see literature and fiction written in a format wherein it feels so poetic and so musical at the same time, this is a perfect book. And the book that I'm talking about is Martyr by Kawa Akbar. So, in case you've never picked this up, you'll ask me what is the plot and should you pick it up? It is too hype. Definitely pick it up. It doesn't matter what is the point in the book, because even if I make this video and I'm trying to explain, I don't want to give so much away. Now, if you ask me to still give you a little bit of a plot, I'll tell you that in this book, the protagonist is an Iranian American poet, and then you see that wants to go on this journey and who wants to understand and who wants to and also has a lot of questions about death. And he's an orphan now, and he's also, I mean, there's so many plots to give you. He's also out of depression, he's in his post depression time, and he wants to write this book about martyrdom, and he wants to do his research. And then he gets to know that there is this lady who's an artist, and she's sitting in a museum and is at the last stage of her cancer, and she's answering to every question that people go and ask. And he plans to visit her, but while I've told you all of this, there's a lot more I've not told you. Trust me. And so you have to just read it to understand what this book is about. And whatever the hype you've heard around this book, I mean, everything is worth it. If you like fiction and if you like to read, sort of, I don't know, I don't want to give much away, but if you like fiction and if you like to read on the lines of grief, addiction, art, and all of this, if these things are interesting you, if these things interests you, and if you are feeling like how can all of these things come together in a book, then please give this book a try. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.